Yep. I crashed it already. Just trying to park in my street, drove around the corner, doing about 5 miles an hour, and there was a long wheelbase van which was parked, hanging out of its space. But my fault, I hit it. The only thing I could do was kind of floor it and try and Ken block my way out of the situation. But the good news is, it didn't hit the doors, it hit the back bumper. So at least I can have a go at fixing it myself, and it'll blend in with the rest of the track damage. I'm going to try and knock out some of this dent. See, just come round this way, Al, and just shoot down the side, just so you can see where it's all caved in. So that was from my impact on the van. But what I'm going to try and do is just bash out this hole. Come and have a look at this, Al. You can actually see where it's bulged out. So this bad boy here is all bulged out. And I'm just going to try and hit it with a hammer and see if I can pop some of that out. Because, you know, ghetto mods are the cheapest mods. Right, Al, are you watching this?
Yep.
Just going to try and punch it first of all. How is it looking?
Not so good.
I don't think it's a job for a lever. I think I might actually need to get up here and swing at it. My tools are jammed in the car now. The jack is now part of the vehicle. Oh man, that was right in there.
What are you guys using?
A hammer?
Rubber hammer?
Nah.
Well,
Should I stop that?
yeah, because you'll get a nice, if you use like a big flat rubber hammer, you'll get a nice flat hit.
I don't think any flat hits are happening. One rubber hammer. You may recognise this from a video where we smashed the windscreen. No, the windscreen died of natural causes. This bit I can't actually get to. Pass the camera around and I'll just show the good people. So this is the area which I'm trying to pop out, but also down here, inside the wing, behind this metal bar, that's where there's also some damage, and that is much harder for me to get to. Good as new. It's me being a total douchebag. I just hit it in different ways until it looks alright. It's definitely looking better.
Maybe as good as it's getting.
There is well, I wonder if there's a possibility of levering it from underneath. You know, using the tyre to get in behind the metalwork and.
No.
This is going to take the tyre off the rim.
Some filler, lick of paint, big sticker.
Well, I was thinking about getting a big like an oops sticker or like a QR code. You know those barcodes you get? I print one of them on, and then when people scan it, it takes them to the video that shows them what the hell I did. It's fucking pebble dashed.
Pebble dash.
Well, look, it's a lot better than it was. So we did a tactical plastidip video, and I'm going to do more tactical plastidip here. So, same as before, dry affected area, get rid of even more paint. Tell you what, this is track ready now. Plastidip, thin coats, remember? Oh jeez, what the hell? I'd love to do some thin coats, but it's just coming out as a jet. There's something wrong with this plastidip. It's just plastidip.
It's just frozen.
It might just be too damn cold. New tip, don't plastidip when it's, well, take a look at all the snow. Don't plastidip when it's like this, wait until it's warm. Black duct tape, and then get it back on the track.